Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome back to my channel, Lady Like May. For today's video, I will do a product review about an armoire that can contain and beautifully organize all of your jewelries. I know many women will enjoy this product. It is inexpensive, and stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will give some of my viewers some discount so that you too can enjoy this beautiful and functional jewelry organizer. I'm not going to make this intro super long, so if you are interested to know about the product that I'm about to talk about, then please keep on watching. The armoire that I'm talking about is right over here. As you can see, I wanted to do a review on this product with and without the jewelries inside. So let's go ahead and start. Let's peel this thing. Doesn't have scratch or anything.
First, let's talk about the shipping and packing of this product. It came in super quick. I think it arrived 2 to 3 days after I ordered it, and it was also packed nicely and securely. It was heavy, so I let my husband open it for me. Now for the exterior, this is made of a certain type of wood. I chose white, obviously, as you can see. It has that gray wood pattern which adds up to the look of this jewelry organizer. It has a full display of large mirror which is very useful every time you want to check, your outfit of the day. The dimensions are height 47 inches and a half, width 14 inches and a half, and it's 4 inches deep. If you look at the back, you have these set up for you so that you can hang this luxe piece into your wall or door, whichever you like. One of the many things I love about this lovely armoire is it has LED lights inside. At the top part is where you will put the batteries for your lights. It needs 3 AAA batteries if you are wondering. At the side, as you can see, this piece is lockable. Below it, you'll find an indentation of where to place your hand so that you can open this jewelry organizer with ease. Once you open it, you will see how gorgeous and spacious this jewelry organizer is. It can house hundreds of your jewelries or even products. It's all up to you. The inside cloth that they use is in black. I'm not quite sure of the material, but it feels like velvet to me. Now let's take a closer look on the inside. This corner right here, as you can see, is intended for earrings. Studs, hoops, drops, dangle earrings, and more. I don't know, I might be wrong, but when I counted earlier, I think this can hold 114 earrings, and that's a lot. Next, this bar right here can hold your watches or bracelets, such as beaded bracelets, chunky cuffs, charm bracelets, and more. Still, it's all up to you. At the bottom part, you'll find hooks, and this is for your necklaces or your bracelets. We're finally done on this side, so let's move on to the right side of this jewelry organizer. The top portion is made for your rings. I know it is sort of like hard to see right now, but if you turn on the lights, you can see the indentions where you can securely put all of your rings. As I have observed, some are not cut, which means that you can't tuck your rings, so you have to gently poke it to check if the holes are there. If I'm not mistaken, this area can hold 78 rings. Next, you will find hooks again for your necklaces and bracelets. Below it is a compartment. It is quite deep, so you can put some cash in there or some of your hair accessories, jewelry box, cleaning cloths for your jewelries, and more. Next is this 5 divisions. It can hold products, makeups, small perfumes, or watches. If you want to display your watches, you can buy those tufted pillows and place your watches here. It will totally look super fancy. Let me just show you the box that I just pulled out that says do not discard. It contains the necessary material so that you can place this organizer securely to a wall or any door you like. It also has the keys for your armoire. The bottommost part of this area are 2 small drawers with tiny handles that can hold maybe your extra earring backs, your bobby pins, hair ties, or your extra batteries. Now it's time to showcase how much this organizer can really hold. I don't have all of my jewelries at the moment. Some of them are still in storage. If you didn't know, I just moved from California to Florida. But I will try my very best to fill this organizer so that you can have an idea what it looks like with jewelries and products.
If you want to purchase this armoire and get 50% discount, you just have to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and follow me on my Instagram account. After doing those 3 important things, PM me on Instagram and just say the word done plus shared to and the link where you shared this video. Visit the description box on this video to review all of the mechanics. If you PM me right away on my Instagram account, I will check if you are a subscriber of mine, I will check where you shared the video, and of course I will check if you follow me on my Instagram account. And that's it. Only few people will get 50% discount, so go ahead, do all those 3 simple steps. And I think that's it. That ends my product review. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video some love by liking it. And I wish you all a good day. I will see you on my next one. Bye. Butang yung ulo. Okay, for today's video,
wala ko itong gituyo ba? Ginaliman ng kanya.
Babe, dili mo na, madugay ko. Sige ka. 1, 2, 3. Ang Javides. Or jewelries. I know many women. My cat. Why? Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. At the end of this video, viewers and I will